everyone, Cheryl here today with some more craft room organization and just sharing the way I like to store things and what works well for me. And so in this unit that I'm going to be showing you today, this is the Alex drawer unit from IKEA. I keep a lot of the things I use on a daily basis. Sorry, you guys. And most of this stuff was kind of in different spots in my craft room. And so I figured I'd want it all right next to me where I can get to it really easy. So I sit at my craft station and I'm able to turn to the right and get to all the drawers. So in the first drawer, I do store like all my glues and the foam, foam tabs, glue sticks, the score tape and red tapes. I have the tape runners, some scotch tape underneath, and then some extra glue, hot glue guns, and a spray glue in here. And I love that everything, you can see everything, and I'm utilizing the whole drawer in this unit because these drawers do not pull out all the way. And so I wanted to be able to see and access everything in the drawer and utilize it all. So that's the first drawer on this unit. And so in the second drawer, I have like scissors and rulers and black pens and paint pens and the little brushes and my tweezers and snippers and some other little crafting tools that I use on a daily basis. Again, I'm able to use the entire drawer and I'm able to pull out these little storage bins and I'm able to put them back really easy. And I just love that I can see everything. And so I love the way this drawer is too. It just works really well for me. So now on my next drawer, I keep all the glitters and little mini beads that I use for flower making. I have perfect pearls and shimmer paints, Flower Soft. I keep all the embossing powders in here, glitter glass, and so forth. And then I do keep all my sprinkles in here. And these are for your shaker cards, but this little tray here will come out. It's kind of tight in here, but I'm able to get it out. Let's see if I move that one. So it slides forward. So you can kind of see everything. And if I need to, if I'm working on the shaker things, I can just pull that out and put it at my little work area. And same with the paints. If I want to pull these out and work with them, I just take the whole thing out. Or if I'm just looking for one color, I'll do that. Same with the little, oh my gosh, glitters and such. They're in trays and I can pull those out as well. And so that's that drawer. And then in the next drawer, I do keep my stickles. So I have my stickles all on that side. They're in the little organization things as well. And they go all the way to the back. So you get to see pretty much everything. I keep my glue pads here with the refills, perfect, the pearl pins, and my inks, daubers, and the little dusters. I do have all my daubers out right now. I'm kind of prepped for a video. And so now on the Tim Holtz Distressed Inks, this is probably the only thing I need to kind of not redo, but I would like to. Last year I was going to label them and I said no, because you still won't see the color. Even if I have the name there, I want to know what color. Well, the black, I could just do black and that I wouldn't need to put. But on the other colors, some of them I don't know what the colors look like. So I would want to see the little color up here. So I'm not quite sure how I want to do what I want to do with this. So I haven't done this yet. And so that's that. And then we go down to this drawer. And so in this drawer, I keep my Stampin' Up! Ink pads, the markers, some of the other markers and pencils, and then the refills. So I have a little story on this. So on these ink pads, I used to keep them in the little storage thing that you would get from Stampin' Up! And I loved it when I first got it. And then over time, because I have so much stuff in here, it just kind of went from one station to another. It ended up on the floor. It ended up underneath my workstation. It's been everywhere. And so last year I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to put those ink pads in this drawer. And I did have them in here in some little bins like that I have in these other drawers. And they were going to the back and I didn't like it. It didn't work. And so I wanted to change it. And I was like, gosh, what am I going to do with them? Like, I want to be able to get to them easy. So I kind of just laid a bunch in here on their sides, the 2 rows to see, because I want to be able to see what's in the back. And so I did. I put them on their sides and I ended up putting them all in here. And I was able to utilize the entire drawer and then also be able to see what's back there. And that was my thing, is I didn't want to have this unit and not be able to use all the space in it. And so this works really well for me because I am able to just get to things when I need them. If I need the pins, I can pull them out. If I need these pins here, I just move this like so, and I can pull that right out. And then these just go right back. Super easy. Okay. So that's kind of how I store that drawer. I wish they would have stood up on their side, but even if they did, I wouldn't have seen all the colors. So I kind of just like them the way they are. So in my last drawer here, I keep like my distressed stuff in here. So these are the distressed inks and the crackle paint and so forth in there. I have some other paints in this little thing here. I have some extra glitters, some glass trays. The Robin's Nest dewdrops, those are my extras, are down in here. And then I keep the chalks. And I have that little spot. It holds this little thing up here. I'm prepped for a video I'm going to be using. It's embossing powder. And then just some other little things. And so that's what I keep in this one unit here. And so I do hope you enjoyed my video today. And I want to thank you for stopping by. And if you like, you can follow. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye.